Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about PMAX video placements report, and this is something Google added very recently. And all that means is when you go to your Performance Max campaigns placement report, that's in the reports editor, it's a default report. You will not only now see Google owned and operated properties and display placements, but you'll also see video placements, and I'll find one here. So this is one here. And you maybe can't see this very well, but when you highlight over one of the videos, you'll see that it's YouTube. In the footer, the actual URL comes up. And so this is new. Google didn't disclose these before. So this can be really helpful to just kind of go through and clean up videos that you don't want to run on those placements. So there's a few different kind of ways you can go through this. One way is to simply pull up this report. You're going to be able to sort by impressions. And obviously, anything that's getting a lot of impressions, then it's going to be more important to exclude that. In this case, with this particular client, and with all of our clients, really, to be honest, we do a great job of keeping the placements clean. We have that as part of our regular optimization. We actually use a script to help with it, but you don't necessarily need to do that. But again, these numbers are pretty small, but you may get into your report and you might see like right away that like half of your impressions are coming from 20 videos, right? So you see this kind of a number against a bunch of different videos, then that could be concerning, particularly if the videos are not really in context with what you're offering. And another symptom would be if you are getting a lot of fake leads that, you may be getting those from poor video placements. Could be for kids. We see that a lot, where it's a lot of like videos made specifically for kids and they're just randomly clicking through stuff and, maybe doing like a click to call conversion on your website by accident, and then Google serving more and more of that. But I digress. So basically, you can go in here and you can identify these. Problem is, to get the URL, you need to click through and then, copy that URL into a spreadsheet or something else. It could be even like a text file, just to make a list of the ones you want to exclude. But you can also download this. Once you download it, it's going to be a lot easier to manage in a spreadsheet, and then you can easily just like take the ones that you want to exclude and put them in a separate list. And then you have kind of two options to exclude those, and one is to exclude them at the account level. And you can do that in the content suitability settings section. That's where you'd add any excluded placements. And alternatively, if you only want to block those for this particular campaign, you can use Google's online form and spreadsheet upload to request that those be excluded. So that's basically it. I mean, again, Google is bit by bit, they're kind of unlocking some more details about PMAX. If you want to get way ahead of it, then I do recommend the script from Mike Rhodes, which will provide a lot more detail and it'll be easier to work with. But this is really nice that Google now at least tells you which video placements are running, and you can troubleshoot, particularly if you have bad conversions coming through, that you can go in and you can find those videos that maybe aren't relevant and just exclude them. So that is it for today. It's a short one. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you next time.